Welcome to Smash Exams, and in this video we're going to be looking at the IELTS Writing Task 2 rubric, how to get a level 7. Specifically, we're going to be looking at the coherence and cohesion part, which is as follows. It says you need to logically organize information and ideas. There is a clear progression throughout. Uses a range of cohesive devices appropriately, although there may be some under or overuse, and presents a clear central topic within each paragraph. So today we're going to try and understand what the IELTS rubric is asking you to do for coherence and cohesion, and we're then going to look at techniques and tips to make sure you are reaching the Band 7 criteria for coherence and cohesion. Just a quick look, this is the Band 7, 8 and 9 rubric for the IELTS Writing Task 2. As you can see, there is task response, lexical resource and grammatical range and accuracy. But today we're just going to be focusing on coherence and cohesion and how to get a Band 7. The first thing we need to do is to understand the rubric. So the first part, logically organize information and ideas. There is clear progression throughout. So that means you need to logically organize your information, logically organize your ideas, and make sure there is a progression throughout the essay that you write. Secondly, we're going to use a range of cohesive devices appropriately, although there may be some under or overuse. This basically means you use many different types of linking words correctly between the paragraphs, but also between the sentences and also between different ideas. And finally, we need to present a clear central topic within each paragraph. And to do that, we need to use topic sentences for each paragraph and stick to that idea within the paragraph. We're going to be going through how to do all this with examples towards the end of the video. Firstly, we need to look at how we can logically organize our information and ideas and show a progression throughout. The best way to do this is to have an introduction, 2 body paragraphs, and a conclusion at the end. In the introduction, you mention your ideas, you give the first idea in body paragraph 1, the second idea in body paragraph 2, and then you summarize the ideas in the conclusion. Now, you may or may not have to give an opinion here. Secondly, you need to use a range of cohesive devices, which means different types of linking words, which could be sequencing words, contrasting words, giving your opinion, summarizing, giving examples, and giving explanations. We'll be going through all this later in the video with some examples on how to do it. Finally, you need to present a clear central topic within each paragraph. That means you need to use a topic sentence for each paragraph and stick to that main idea within the paragraph. So in each paragraph, especially the body paragraphs, you need a topic sentence, an explanation, some examples, and then a link to the title or to the next paragraph. Now, you need to make sure that you have only one idea per paragraph, because otherwise it won't be a clear central topic. Now that we understand exactly what the rubric is asking us to do, we can now look at how we can complete these criterion for the IELTS Writing Task 2. So, here are some techniques and tips to meet the rubric requirements. We're going to go through each one as much as possible. The first thing you need to do is make sure you plan your essay. Now, that usually looks like an introduction where you paraphrase the statements in the question and give a thesis. Then you have idea in body paragraph 1, a second idea in paragraph 2, and then in a conclusion where you summarize your arguments and maybe give an opinion. Now, there are many different types of IELTS Writing Task 2 questions. So here we go. Here is how it would look to organize your ideas and information in a logical way. You can see it's always introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and conclusion. For the opinion essay, discussion essay, the problem solution essay, the advantages and disadvantages essay, and the double question essay. This will make sure you have logically organized your position throughout and all your ideas are in the correct order and linked together. Feel free to pause this video and have a look or take a screenshot as a way to keep it, because it is a really good way to plan your essay. Now, this only gives you the structure and how to organize your essay. After you've done the plan and you've set out how you're going to organize your ideas, you need to also think about using cohesive devices, which are basically linking words. You can use comparing words such as similarly or compared with. You could use sequencing words like firstly, secondly, and finally. And you could also give examples, for example, or for instance. Try not to overuse them and use a variety of them or a range in your essay. There is a full video that I've done based on cohesive devices and linking words that I will link to in the description of this video. Finally, how can we present a clear central topic within each paragraph? Now, the best way to do that is the topic sentence, explanation, examples, and then link together. All one idea. Do not use more ideas in one paragraph. So here is how it would look. So if we have the question here, writing task 2. Nowadays, many people complain that they are having difficulties getting enough sleep. What problems can lack of sleep cause, and what can be done about the lack of sleep? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. So here, I am going to write the first body paragraph, which will be about the problems lack of sleep can cause. So the way to organize the paragraph with a clear idea in each paragraph is use the topic sentence, which you can see in green. The main problem that a lack of sleep can cause is obesity. So here we're answering the question, we're following the instructions, and we know that this paragraph is going to be about how lack of sleep can cause obesity and nothing else. We can then explain. Not getting enough sleep can make a person feel more hungry, which causes them to eat more, especially at night. Additionally, if a person is sleep deprived, they may be too tired to exercise. So here we can see we've used our linking word additionally to add another part of an explanation. Then we go on to give an example. For example, studies show that getting less than 5 hours of sleep a night can cause people to gain an extra 5 kilos a year. There we have given an example, and it's still about how the lack of sleep can cause obesity. Finally, it is really important that we can find a solution for the people that find it hard to fall asleep. Okay, and again, this links to the next paragraph, which is going to be about solutions, as we can see from the plan earlier. And also it links to the topic sentence. Using a structure like this will help you make sure that there's a logical organization and every paragraph has a clear idea. It is literally in the rubric that you need to do this, and it is worth 25% of your band level. So if you can nail this and get a 7, and you can use the other videos in this series to help you with the other parts of the rubric, you should be able to get a level 7. So as a reminder, you need to organize your information and ideas using intro, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, conclusion. You need to use cohesive devices or linking words, and you need to present a clear central topic within each paragraph by using the TEEL method. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. In the next video, we're going to be looking at the next criterion, which is lexical resource. Check it out right here. Good luck and smash those exams.